Well, hello, welcome back to Dan Adventures OG. And right now, this place is called Nkuhungu. We are going to take a ride from Nkuhungu to Four Ways. Let's stay together, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery as we discover what makes this area unique. Nkuhungu is actually in Dodoma, and Dodoma is located in the heart of Tanzania and serves as the country's political capital. The city lies on the broad plateau at an elevation of about 1,100 meters above sea level, giving it a warm but generally comfortable climate throughout much of the year. This region experiences the semi-arid climate, with most rainfall occurring between November and April. Because of this, many of the trees and plants found here are well adapted to dry conditions. But the most exciting thing is that it's like what you're seeing. Look at the trees; they are healthy, man. They are beautiful. I really love this beauty. Look at the road. Look at the resemblance of the road and the environment. Wow, wow, wow. The place is wow. And one interesting feature of Dodoma is its open landscape. Unlike many tropical cities with dense forests, the surroundings here are characterized by scattered trees, shrubs, and open land. But if you are looking clearly, this road is quite beautiful. And these natural conditions are typical of central Tanzania, and they have influenced the way people build, farm, and live in the region. You may also notice that many roads are lined with trees. Besides adding beauty, they provide shade and help improve the local environment. So yeah, there is a zebra crossing right here, but man, I loved this road. It's quite beautiful and it's chill and calm, and the environment isn't that busy. Yeah, I think you can see that by yourself. Wow. So right here we will take the right, heading to Four Ways. I'm not very keen of this place, but I think we are still in Nkuhungu, if not mistaken. And this road is heading to Four Ways. So yeah, wow, the place is beautiful. The place is quite beautiful. Look at the environment, look at the trees. This is the most amazing thing, and the most unbelievable thing to me, seeing long trees still green, and it is in the I can say it's in a semi-arid climate. Remember, Dodoma is in the semi-arid climate, but the trees are amazing. As we are slowly approaching Four Ways, it's easy to see how quickly this area is developing. New houses, shops, and business services continue to appear, reflecting Dodoma's steady growth as Tanzania's capital city. Wow, look at the trees. This ongoing development creates new opportunities while still preserving the relaxed atmosphere that many residents appreciate. Yeah. Wow. As we continue our journey, I think you can notice how this neighborhood combines residential homes with small businesses that serve the local community. Yeah, Nkuhungu has become one of the fastest growing parts of Dodoma. As the city population increases, more people are choosing to build homes and open businesses here and there because of its good road connections and convenient access to the city center. The roads also support public transport, as you can see, the daladala, motorcycles, bajads, and private vehicles, making this an active road throughout the day. Wow. So wow. And it can also take you also like 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes from Nkuhungu to Four Ways, and we are now approaching Four Ways. So bringing today's short drive to an end. I hope you have enjoyed exploring this part of Nkuhungu. See you until the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ciao.